Oh, hi, Foxy. Hi. Hi, you awake now? Was it my agonizing screaming that woke you up? Chica, can you move? Go to the kitchen. Chica, go to the kitchen. No, there's some food in there. That's your human pizzas, you know, your favorite. Hello, and welcome back. And today we're back playing Five Nights at Freddy's. So, today we're gonna do night 2 and maybe attempt night 3. So yeah, let's jump right into it. Oh, Bon. Whoa! He just started off leaving. He left before 12 a.m. I don't think that happened before.
Well, if you're hearing this and you made it to day 2, congrats. I won't talk quite as long this time since Freddy and his friends tend to become more active as the week progresses. It might be a good idea to peek at those cameras while I talk, just to make sure everyone's in their proper place, you know. Interestingly enough, Freddy himself doesn't come off stage very often. I've heard he becomes a lot more active in the dark, though, so hey, I guess that's one more reason not to run out of power, right?
Yeah.
I also want to emphasize the importance of using your door lights. There are blind spots in your camera view, and those blind spots happen to be right outside your doors. So if you can't find something or someone on your cameras, be sure to check the door light. You might only have a few seconds to react. Not that you would be in any danger, of course. I'm not implying that. Also, check on the curtain in Pirate Cove from time to time. The character in there seems unique in that he becomes more active with the camera and remain off for long periods of time. I guess he doesn't like being watched. I don't know. Anyway, I'm sure you have everything under control. Talk to you soon.
Oh, okay. Well, Bonnie's right there. Chica, Freddy hasn't. Foxy hasn't. With stage 2 yet, so far it's just not night 1. Oh, Chica's right when I say it, please. In the kitchen. Just slow in the kitchen. I'm fine. busted. Oh. Where's Bonnie? Stop it! With the "it's me" hallucination. I love it. Very selective. Well, where Bonnie is right there. Oh, not again! The static keeps on scaring me, so I close both the doors. And then they're like, "Oh, nah, fam, I'm all the way over there." It was even a good run. Like, okay, at the beginning it wasn't good because Bonnie instantly left the stage, but Chica stayed in the kitchen for like 3 hours, and then Fox never changed positions. And then Chica had to move, so then I closed the door, and then I died. Now let's try this again. We're just gonna check once to see if anyone moved. Yeah, this time I've seen anyone moving. Okay. Phone guy. Buddy. Oh, you're not gonna call me this time. Come on, man. But, oh, he's not gonna call me. Oh. Oh, you just instantly went to the backstage. Okay, oh, parking service. I call parking service. I thought it was always called parking service, or whatever. Oh, and Chica's obviously in. How are you folks? You're still sleeping. You staring? No, you ain't staring. I'm gonna go TVs this time. Let's close this so we need to conserve power. Because the generator for this place is weak. I'll get to 2 AM with about 60% at least. But is that gonna happen? Bonnie. Hopefully this time my screen doesn't start breaking down. So Bonnie's still there. I thought Bonnie was there. Still... Yeah, Bonnie's still there. Still Foxy hasn't moved, so that's good. I think it's just a hallucination. It's me. Yes, it's you. Don't mind if I do. Now usually in the VR I keep this open because I can see them, but here I will not be able to see him. I gotta split second. I can just glance and I can see him poking through the door. But this time no. No. So we're just gonna oh no. Oh thank goodness, 66%. Okay, that's at least what I wanted. It's going well. How are you doing back here, Bonnie? Oh Bonnie. Oh okay. He ain't gonna move. Stay right there, Chica. Stay there for another 4 hours. You staring at me? Stop staring at me. Get your eyes off the camera. I'm not opening that door until Bonnie shows himself. You know what they say, it's scarier if you don't know where they are. Ah, there's Bonnie. Kitchen, okay. These cameras so poorly made. Where were you? Oh, this man was nowhere to be seen. I should just close the door. I checked the lights, like, okay, he's not there. Okay, he's not there. And he's like, oh no, bro, I'm right here. I'm just right here now. It's got static, bro. That long static. These cameras need to be fixed. Like, we have a generator for, like, that's worse than generators used for, like, natural, like, a nuke hitting. Like, a generator that can only stay up for about 6 hours. Would we get it from the dollar store? For crying out loud? It's 3 AM, I got 30% left. Yeah, that's gonna work. I think Fox doesn't want to try out this code. But Bonnie... and me. Week of good luck. I wish phone guy kept me company. I told the Bonnie head to stop staring at me? Is it because I told him to stop staring at me? Is that why you jump scared me? Bonnie, you good? Check this out. Bonnie. You can never be too sure on where this man is. Nobody's there. You can't count 3. If I can't see him, I can't see him in the doorway. Oh, it's right there. I don't know where Chica is. Now I don't know where Bonnie is. Give me my camera. Where are they? Oh, here. Hi, Chica. Where's the top? Overreacting again. Freddy ain't gonna move. Just these two. This man moved down. Okay, you're right there. I can see the outline. Oh, thank you for saying Chica. Ooh. Oh, it's going a lot worse. You ain't too sure where they are to close the doors. What's up, Bonds? Hey, Chica, what's up? What's up? Now I guess I'm not gonna check. Be right there now. Again, look for the movement of Pirate's Cove. Alright. 3M with 50 would be amazing. But we all know that's not gonna happen. We're gonna give another check, alright. Another boo-boo, good luck. You just stay in the bathroom, alright? Alright? Stay in the bathroom for me. Oh my gosh! I let Chica move. Bonnie just teleported in front of my door and gave me half a second. Help Wanted is so much easier. Who knew that Help Wanted was so much easier than this? I don't think I can do this anymore. just have to stick to Help Wanted. Because that game's at least somewhat possible for me. Night 2 was easy. Even with Foxy, it was easy mode. And then here Bonnie's like, oh yeah, I'm not in here anymore. I assumed it was Chica. She was on her, like, second stage, I would say, in, like, semi in front of the door, and then Bonnie would have, was in the closet, so he would have, oh no, he was out there, so then he would have moved to the corner. But he didn't do that, because, you know what they say, third time's the charm. I can't say fool me once, shame on you, fool me twice, shame on me. Oh no, this is my fourth time. Fourth time, because I already got jump scared by him twice. Only if Phone Guy was here to talk to me, I'd feel a lot more safe. I can't find where Bonnie is. Assume if the footsteps were even on. The footsteps of audio cues, and I just don't listen. Bonnie moves around. I guess. Bonnie, if you stay in backstage, you can make Mr. Security Guard happy. Because Chica so far has been sitting in the bathroom for 3 hours last time, and then keep an eye on Bonnie. Let's give a little check on Pirates Cove. I don't know, because Night 2 on Help Wanted, Pirates Cove is open, so I don't know. Well, there are only 4 nights, and then a 5th, like, semi-extra night. So, I think last time, Foxy was kind of weak. Why is this so much different than last time? Because last time I never got any screen. Right there. If I get jump scared in the first hour with this static. Alright, so fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. Yeah. Yeah, what? Suck it, Bonnie. Go in your little corner. I ain't open that door until you go back into the dining area. Hope Bonnie doesn't do what he does in VR and camp in the corner. Let's party, yep, let's party. Nope. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. I'm at 2%. You stay up there, Chica. Nope. Fool me once, shame on you. So the wise old man told me once. The wise man told me once to dress my watch. Ain't checking. If I find your little kick where you are. Oh, thank you, Bonnie. Oh, thank you. Yes, backstage is perfection. It's just perfect. Perfect. If you just stay back there. instantly book it to the hallway, huh? Isn't that how you roll? How long is 2 a.m.? Might be supposed, right? Yeah. I wonder how long 2 a.m. is. Oh, now it's I'm at 38%. Alright, thanks, Bonnie. Yeah, thank you, Bonnie. I ain't open that door until I find your location. I don't care if it's not gonna make the... Oh, yeah, you're outside the door noise. I ain't opening that door until I can find you staring at my camera. Where's Chica? There you are, Chica. Alright. Static hits, we're closing the doors. Okay. You can't open my door, Bonnie. Get out of here. Yeah, Bonnie. Oh, hi, Foxy. Hi. Hi, you awake now? Was my agonizing screaming that woke you up? Chica, can you move? Go to the kitchen. Chica, go to the kitchen. No, there's some food in there. That's your human pizzas, you know, your favorite. Your favorite on the dinner table. Where's Bonnie? There's Bonnie. Chica, can you move? I'm at 0% battery. And it's voice. Not again! This is it. I'm done. I'm done with this. You wanna say goodbye, Bonnie? Yeah, we're gonna say goodbye to Freddy. Bye, Freddy. So if you enjoyed, nothing really happened, so, jump scare again? You know, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done with you, Freddy. I am done with you, Freddy. Alright, man. Chica is camping my door this time. Not like the usual Bonnie. Bonnie's at least going to park and service, like I asked him. Chica ain't sitting in the kitchen like I asked. You know, this wasn't a very eventful video. Yeah, I got jump scared and got mad. That's fun experience for you. So, yeah, I'm gonna end the video here today, so, thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.